Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to shift gears more smoothly. Once you get more acclimated with your bike, one of the things that you may want to try is when shifting gears and when you have to squeeze the clutch. When you first begin, your first instinct is going to be to squeeze your clutch lever all the way to shift gears, but that's actually not necessary. So all the next time, try, instead of squeezing it all the way in, try to find the sweet spot on your friction zone and then try to shift gears. One of the things that you may notice is that if you try to shift gears right at the moment when the plates in your clutch are disengaging, so you're right here around the friction zone, when you shift gears, it's going to provide you a much smoother experience. Now, every bike is a little bit different. Some bikes, the friction zone is going to be in the beginning. Some are going to be a little bit closer to the end when you're squeezing. But you just have to try it out. Okay. Make sure when you try this for the first time, you're doing it again on a safe area, maybe in a parking lot. Different experiences may apply depending on the bike and who you are as a rider, but definitely try. Instead of going all the way in, try shifting gears a little bit more when you're engaged in the friction zone. That's the tip for today. Take care. Bye.